Welcome back to Jethro's Garage. Hey, appreciate y'all showing up. Come on in, take a seat. Let's talk a little bit. Today, we got this Gearwrench 35-piece microdriver set. I've had it for roughly a year now, and we're going to talk about it. I messed up and didn't put you a price up there. Maybe I'll look it up here in a minute. Okay, here we got it. It's the 35-piece microdriver set. It is all 6-point sockets. A model number 85035. It's got a 1/4 and 5/16 inch drive. It's made in Taiwan. It's got a limited lifetime warranty. Made by Apex Tool Group. Let's look at this thing. So, it's a pretty decent little kit. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I hate the case. When I bought it, it was broke, but I don't see it lasting. And this thing actually has a tool belt clip. Let me get the top on. It was broke when I bought it. I bought it cheap, or I bought it used off of Amazon. So it's got a belt clip that either goes here or here. But I just don't trust it on my belt. Even if the lid wasn't broke, I don't feel that it's a good case. That aside, now I've done a 1-minute tool review on this quite a while ago, and I think I've grown a little better used to it. Let's look at it a little bit. So first of all, let's look at the ratchet, because that's what we all want to see. This is the 1/4 inch side, and listen to it. Pretty decent, pretty solid clicks. You know, I didn't tell you what I don't even know what the tooth count on this is, but see if I can see it. I don't think it says, so let's count it. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13. Let's say 13 times 4 is, what is it, people? Help me out. That's a 2. That's 52. That don't sound right. I don't know. Somewhere around there. 13 times 4. That's 40, 52, that sounds about right. Let's see what this one does. Start on that 5 and bring it around 1/4 of the way. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this one's closer to a 72 tooth. So I'm not sure exactly what it is, but you know, this end's a higher tooth count than this end. If you're wondering what I was doing there, I'm taking it 1/4 of the way around and counting the teeth and then multiplying times 4, and that'll give you a close. Usually it might be 1 or 2 teeth off, you know. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, I got 14 out of that, and it may even be 15. So the 15 would give it a 60 tooth count. You know, there it is. But anyway, it feels nice. It's nice, solid, positive clicks. It doesn't have a great back drag. Let's see. You know, not great back drag, but it's not a bad little tool. So let me show you this other deal about it. Here's your socket adapter. Well, your socket adapter goes in the 5/16 end. The bigger end so to handle more torque. And all of your sockets will go on here and da-da-da-da-da. And then you push them out. It's got this nice little, oh, wow, they are on there. And then you got your bigger bits, and they're sized for the big end. Okay, push them out. And I say bigger bits. You've got, I think, all of your Torx. Nope. So these are bigger bits. These are smaller. Let's see. Yeah, I guess these are only your all of your big bits. So, you know, you got these big 5/16 flathead and a 3/8 flathead. You know, I don't. Dad used to tell me they do use them for drag link or something, but I don't use those big ones a lot. T50 Torx, stuff like that. The chrome on this is pretty decent. It's not a bad looking wrench. It's thin. You don't want to put a whole lot of effort on this. I mean, simply because, you know, it's not going to feel good in the hand. You know, there's some that might be better, might feel better, but this isn't one of them. Still, you know, I don't know what you're trying to take loose that you're going to put a ton of torque on it anyway. Now the sockets, what are we looking at? This is a 9/16. The broaching looks pretty good. I like the ends, the offset corners. They look pretty good. Everything down in there is looking nice. The broaching there's a little bit of, let me get my little pick here. There's some areas, hope you can see that, some areas right there that the broach come through this way towards you, and it pushed out some areas, and I'm guessing it was one of the final acts of broaching. There's a little bit of a chamfer here. That's nice to help get you on the head of a bolt. Let me see what we got here. So we got a 1/2 inch. Looks like we fit decent here. Not too bad. The chrome on these looks pretty decent. Oh, by the way, this is about a $20 kit. Okay, which isn't too bad for what it comes with. That 10 fits pretty good. If I quit bumping my camera, that 10 fits pretty good. I hope that's focusing. Let's see. So these, I'm not sure how they're made. Remember how I just raved over the machining on those VIMs? Well, these, they haven't given them that much effort. I'm not saying they're a bad tool, but I don't think there's the same quality. As a matter of fact, these look like bits you would get in any kit that you would go out there and buy. I mean, and they don't even tell us that they're Gearwrench on them. Not even these bigger ones have a mark that tell me, hey, I'm a Gearwrench product. So that might tell you a little something. It's still not bad. I mean, the price, so let's look it up here. Let's go to Amazing Amazon. No, I'm not, yeah. Let's see, Gearwrench 35 piece, Gearwrench 35 piece microdriver set. I don't know if you can see. Well, are we going to find it? Maybe not. Maybe it's not even. Is that it? No. Well, okay. Maybe it's not available no more. Wonder why. Wonder if it's not available at all. Let's see. They got one here for $67.29, and I would say, they told me that to buy that kit. I said no, no, no. That's horrible. I'm sorry about that. Man, that one is 125 bucks. That's crazy. Maybe they just don't make it no more. For those prices, I wouldn't buy it. Let's see. I finally found it. For currently unavailable. That's why it wasn't coming up. Okay. Purchased one time, June 22nd, 2023. So it's not coming up. It was like $20 or something. For what it was, for the price it wasn't a bad price. I guess it's not made anymore, and it's not available. But anyway, if you find one for a good price, it's not a bad product. I wouldn't mind, you know, buying it again if I needed it. When I bought this, it must have been at the end of its life cycle, product cycle, because, well, you know, can't be bought anymore. Still, not a bad kit. I may, if you think anyone would want this, I may include this in with the giveaway. I don't know. I'll tell you what I like about the kit other than what I've already said. I like that it's got SAEN metric sockets. It helps out a lot. This would be a fairly decent kit. It doesn't have any extensions. That could be a negative, but who doesn't have extensions for at least a 1/4 inch drive side and 1/4 inch long extensions? But if you don't already have those, well, you know, I don't know. Over the next, you know, after I get back from Sturgis, I'll be looking at kits that help us a little bit more with that. Maybe review some things, maybe take a look back at that Baco kit and that I bought a while back and see if I like it any better than I did. Thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all coming in here and sitting with me for a bit. If you don't mind, check this out on Amazon. Maybe there's something else you want. I don't know. I'll put a link to it in below, even though it's out of stock. You may want to look at the specs or whatever. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for sitting with me. If you don't mind, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share me with your friends. And there's this bell thing. If you want to get notified, you know, you can click it. I don't know. It's somewhere over there. What else? Y'all take care of each other. Have a great week and be blessed.